In this short video, we're going to be going over the automatic customer geolocation feature that's included in the WooCommerce multi-location inventory and order routing solution. Now, what's really great about this feature is that it allows us to automatically locate where the user is coming from so that we can then assign them to a warehouse based on the warehouse's availability and the regions that they cover. So we can set shipping zones or regions for each warehouse and then match those up with the customer's location based on their IP address as soon as they come to your website. So we're able to locate where they are, and then we could even show the product availability based on their location, or we could still allow them to order any product. But then when they go to check out and enter their shipping address, we can also make sure that we are assigning them to the correct location. Now I want to show you on the back end how you can set your different warehouse or location zones. So we'll go into edit this one that we have here as an example, the United States warehouse. And now what you'll see here is we have this section that allows us to state the locations that this warehouse serves. In this demo, we have this set to manage the areas by country, but we could also do this by zip code or by continent. So you'll be able to configure this based on your own preferences. If you have multiple locations in one city, for example, you might want to manage this by zip code. Again, in this example, we're doing it by country. So we could state the countries that this warehouse covers or can ship to. We could say it serves to specific countries, all countries except for, or that it serves to all countries. So what would happen now is if we have two different warehouses that are both available in the same countries or within the same zip codes, we would then use the customer's IP address, which we have located, and then our order routing rules to automatically assign a warehouse for each order. Now I'm going to show you in the settings where you can set your order routing priorities. As you can see here, the different options are closest warehouse to the order shipping address, location with the most inventory, or the product's default warehouse. So if we want to automatically route orders to the closest warehouse to the order shipping address, then we will check your customer's IP address as soon as they get to your site. We'll already assume what warehouse they're going to be assigned to, but then we will also double check once they enter their shipping address, because it's always possible that someone is shopping from one area but actually shipping to another area. So we have that last option and step as a way to make sure that we're always assigning your customers to the correct warehouse. Then once that order has been assigned, you will see your order come into your WooCommerce orders page with the location assigned. It is also possible to do order splitting. So if you have a customer who wants to order different products, but they're available at different locations, we can either allow them to order both products, even if they're coming from different locations, or we can actually block this. So it's really up to you how you want to manage it. Again, the solution is very flexible, very customizable, and there are many, many different ways to use it. So I encourage you to get in touch with us, schedule a demo, and we'd love to go through your own preferences and needs, and then we can let you know how this can help you. So feel free to click below to schedule a demo.